Using Indeed gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to access various job-related services. Follow these steps to make the most of your gift card. Step 1. Check your gift card balance. Before using your Indeed gift card, visit the Indeed website or the specific link provided with your card to check the balance. This ensures you know how much you can spend. Step 2. Create a login to your Indeed account. If you don't already have an account, create one on the Indeed website. If you have an account, simply log in using your credentials. This is necessary to redeem your gift card. Step 3. Select services or products. Browse the services or products available on Indeed that you wish to purchase. This could include job postings, resume services, or other tools that can help in your job search. Step 4. Add to cart. Once you've selected the services or products, add them to your cart. Review your selections to ensure everything is correct before proceeding to checkout. Step 5. Redeem your gift card. At checkout, enter your gift card code in the designated field. Ensure that the amount is applied to your total. Complete the transaction by following the prompts to finalize your purchase. By following these steps, you can effectively use your Indeed gift card to enhance your job search experience. Enjoy the benefits it brings.